Nohara Afroz Nushda.
Greeting and salam. Assalamu alaikum to all present, respected teachers and honorable guests. I am Rohan Afroz Jurda, the student of RM Risala Model School. Today I am very excited and glad to Almighty Allah for getting scholarship. At the same time, I would like to thank to my parents and all of my teachers for their special support, caring and encouragement. Especially my head teacher SM Mushkur Alam. SM Mushkur Alam is an efficient head teacher. We proud getting a head teacher like him. The exam was held such as a festival vibe. I would like more contestants to participate in the future and more festive cheer. Keep me in your prayer for my future step. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ।